Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Rebranded, a skincare brand that uses, wait for it, beef tallow in their products. Yes, you heard that right. They claim it helps with skin rejuvenation and hydration through things like wrinkle defense balms and sculpting serums. Because nothing says youthful glow like rubbing high-grade cow fat on your face before bed. It sounds fancy, but the big question is, are they legit, or should you be keeping your wallet under lock and key? Let's start with some positives. We checked their domain info, and the site was registered back in November 2023. In the world of internet scams, that's practically ancient history, as most fraudulent sites vanish faster than your dignity after a karaoke night. The fact that they've been running smoothly for a while suggests the owners are actually serious about keeping the lights on. Their social media presence is also surprisingly robust, with over 16,000 followers on Instagram. Apparently, a lot of people are very interested in the bovine aesthetic, and the brand is consistently engaging with its audience. Another plus is their customer support. They provide an email, a phone number, and even a physical address. It's always reassuring to know there's a place you can technically drive to if your face starts smelling like a steakhouse. While we couldn't find the founders on the site itself, some digging revealed a LinkedIn post featuring the founder, Brian Petropoli. Having a real human being attached to the brand adds a layer of transparency that's often missing in the wild west of online shopping, which is a nice change of pace. However, things get a bit greasy when we look at the reviews. On their site, they claim to have over 100,000 happy customers, and Trustpilot backs them up with a solid 4.5-star rating. But when you venture over to Facebook, the mask starts to slip. They have a dismal 32% recommendation rate, with users reporting unauthorized credit card charges and shipping times that take forever. Some customers even discovered the products were shipping from China despite the site's local vibes. They're also apparently very efficient at hitting the delete button on critical comments, which isn't exactly a hallmark of honesty. So what's the verdict? Rebranded has some good signs, like a professional website and an active community, but those reports of scams and secret China shipping are massive red flags. If you're dying to try beef-based skincare, proceed with extreme caution. Maybe start with a small order before you commit your entire paycheck to the cow bomb. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there, and keep your credit card close.